Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I am going to be taking you to the very eastern part of Humboldt State to a block of residence halls that I've never even knew that existed until now. I was just kind of exploring, and these ones are really nice. Like, I don't know if they're for like special studies or grad students, but I'm going to show you around a little bit. And yeah, by comparison to the other dorms, these are so much nicer, much newer too. This is where I would want to stay for sure. But I think you have to earn your way here. Something tells me that. If you guys know what these dorms are specifically for, let me know. It's a beautiful spring day. Just out and about trying to get some exercise and fresh air, enjoying this nice weather. And let's see, right away I see Fern Hall kind of way over there. Lot 3. Look at this place. It's amazing. Creekside Lounge. And here is a little directory. So I think these are called the Creekview residence halls. Laurel, Juniper, Fern Willow, and the Creekside Lounge. I just walked up that entire hill. It's a good workout. It's a beautiful area, just kind of secluded, tucked away from everything else. Let's see if we can't enjoy any sweet views while we're here. It looks like this just goes back down. Wow. Stunning. My goodness. You're probably paying top dollar for these dorms for sure. Laurel Hall right here, Juniper, and then Creekside. What's nice is they have a little laundromat over here for the students. That's dope. On we go. Appears the lounge is closed for obvious reasons until further notice. This is cool. It's like a little post office box. Little post office for the students. Super cool. Wow. This place is so nice. Let's enjoy the view from Laurel, shall we? I think that, yeah, this is as high as it gets. Not too shabby. This is the backside view of Laurel. Wow. See, that's the hill I walked up on. All the way down here. Alright, so now we'll check out Willow Hall. And then Fern's right over there. Love the names for these places. I think they're five or six. A little blurry there. Up to the third level. Yeah, if any of you have stayed here before, let me know what your experiences was like. Oh, that's it. I keep thinking there's one more above me. Because the other dorms I explored on the southern and northern end of campus were like 3 or 4 stories. Holy smokes. It's beautiful, but it's a long way down. I think the Rose Bowl Stadium is actually just right there, right up ahead through those trees. You might be able to see a little bit of it. My camera won't do it any justice. Super duper sweet. Let's head over to Fern. Of course, we gotta check out the views. Yeah, I've noticed that these residence halls are pretty much all the same layout, a cookie cutter of one another. And let's check out the backside. It overlooks pristine redwood forest. Wow. Very exclusive. It's $1 million view right here, people. Can you imagine traveling to Northern California for the first time ever, and this is where you stay, in the heart of the redwoods? Can you imagine that? Your first experience. Going to school at HSU, living in the residence halls, and enjoying this view. So cool. You know, being here most of my life, sometimes, you know, I sort of take these views for granted, but not today. Today I'm all about perspective. Well, this has been fun. A new experience for me, and I'm sure for many of you too. How awesome. And there's even like little trails. Just go up one real quick. It's like a residence hall in a state park. That's what it reminds me of. Gosh, this is so cool. I'm just blown away by this place. It's moments like these I wish I had a stabilizer and a 4K camera, at least. Maybe even a GoPro on top of that. Wonder what kind of warm-ups or exercises those people are doing down there. Getting my exercise over here, that's for sure. I'm stumped. Wow, incredible. There's like some like facility up there, and there's a bunch of trails that sort of zigzag through over there. Amazing. Amazing experience. So glad I came out here today. All right, guys, I'll be in touch. I'll see you later. Bye.